is fed entirely by Weeki Wachee Springs. Weeki Wachee Springs is located.
I saw one. I got a catfish recipe. Oh, okay.
Let's see it.
Yeah, you make it, cover it with mayonnaise.
Oh.
And even, I don't know if you want to work this mayonnaise. I have seen it. And use either one.
Somebody told us that they used to turkeys with mayonnaise.
It's pretty shallow. Yeah. Not my turn.
Those are about $20 and then the I think she did both.
Wherever you want to go. I was thinking either Hard Rock or the new.
Anyway, so
the new one. Yeah.
they were doing a little bit more fishing.
Fresh water. All the gray fish we've been seeing swimming around the boat and jumping out of the water, those are mullet. Believe it or not, mullet are a saltwater fish. Many saltwater fish can tolerate fresh water. None of them. Yeah, it's a climbing hazard.
Climbing, that's what we see a lot.
Now up ahead on the left, we have a tree growing up out of the water. That tree is a bald cypress. Bald cypress trees are known to get quite old. They take a long time to grow. This little guy here is about 100 years old. I planted it. The cypress trees are related to the great redwoods of the Northwest. They're often called the sequoia of the South, which is pretty fitting if you ask me. There's another cypress tree here to our left. This one has a bunch of spikes growing up beneath it. Those spikes are its root system, called the cypress knees. They give the tree stability and access to oxygen. That tree is about 400 years old. It's getting up there. Now the Seminole Native Americans here in Florida, they call those walking trees because they look like they might get up and walk away. Thankfully, I've never seen that happen.
That I didn't know.
What's the oldest one?
What's the oldest cypress?
Yeah.
All right, great question. What is the oldest cypress? Essentially filtering it until it reaches our river, leaving us with this very clear, fresh water. If you want to watch them dive in these caves and take pictures of them and really just want to see what it looks like underground here, ARST, that's the group of researchers.
Special to a mermaid because but today is not an ordinary day, for everyone in the kingdom has gathered for a very special event. The little mermaid is about to celebrate her 15th birthday, and it will be a very festive event indeed, filled with laughter, song, and dance. Let's celebrate, everyone! Allowed to swim to the surface of the sea for the very first time. Here she can sit on a rock bathed in moonlight and search for the land creatures, like the statue in her garden, of which she's heard many a tale. She gazes at her statue and dreams of a world that awaits her above the waves, and in her heart she hopes the statue is how a human prince will look. And the little mermaid is heard to say,
"My statue is different because it has legs. I wonder what it would be like to have legs instead of this tail. Now is my chance to go to the surface and see."
Saying goodbye, she begins her ascent. As she nears the surface,
"Oh no, Your Grace, your terribleness. I'm not crazy or lost, but I must confess, I need your help. There's something you must do. Please grant me the favor that I ask of you." "Oh yes, I must have legs and feet."
Legs and feet? Well, I've a notion you'll find your answer at the bottom of the ocean. Deep in a cave is a magic potion. Take a sip, just a nip, from the potion at the bottom of the ocean. And you'll have your wildest dreams and your fondest devotions.
My wildest dreams, my fondest emotions.
Yes, from the potion at the bottom of the ocean.
Just drink the potion? That's all that I must do?
That's all, my dear, for now. But I'm not through with you. So, they thought they were out of my clutches and would live happily ever after? They could get my pretty little seed. It's time to show you my real power! I am the strongest in this ocean! Ruler of the depths and keeper of all potion!
with the sea witch gone,